Hi guys, welcome to the show. Dumi here again with another lovely recipe. Today I'm gonna get you seafood fried rice by using rice cooker. Because there are so many friends and fans of mine in Sri Lanka, they were asking a lot of recipes. Unfortunately, they don't have enough gas in the country. So guys, for the today recipes, I'm gonna use beans, a little bit of carrots, an onion, and finally parsley gonna be chopped. So everything ready. So the next step just to make beautiful fried rice. I love to use a little bit of apple in my food. One is it's I use green apple, and one is it's really healthy, and the other thing, it gives a lovely blend of flavors to my mouth when I'm eating my fried rice. Oh, it's wowing me. So this is my marinara mix, which I bought from Coles a few minutes ago. So I love to use this type of marinara mix for my fried rice. One thing, it is a little bit bigger, chunky meat. It's look wonderful. Savior. Savior comes to my table just to mix the fried rice. Switch on my rice cooker. Add a little bit of olive oil. So the step one, gonna add my seafood first. So the step two, I'm gonna add my beans and follow with onions and carrots. So I'm gonna give a slight mix first. Guys, at this point, my seafood is getting cooked. See, you can imagine how beautiful and how easy. Make sure to reduce all this water. So I just gonna remove the lid and keep aside. Wow, it's look beautiful. Make sure to reduce all the water, but don't worry, the moisture has to be there because I'm not gonna use extra sauces in here. I just give all the flavors with my seafood. I am finally put the rice step by step and mix well. Yeah, sliced cucumber and apple as well. A little bit of fish sauce. Not forgetting to add chopped parsley. Finally, it's time to arrange. Gonna put extra seafood and vegetables on top just to give beautiful presentation. An eye apple cheese, apple flan, and tiny bit of parsley. So just imagine how easy to make seafood fried rice in a rice cooker. So that's the thing I want to share. These are the recipes I want to share with you guys. One thing, it's really, really healthy recipes. The other thing, no need to frustrate. Then rice cooker can play a major role in your cooking. So I'm just want to taste my seafood fried rice. and I will let you know how it is. Mmm, gorgeous. It's perfectly cooked, and fish sauce gives a nice flavor, and I would say like enhancing my flavors by using a little bit of fish sauce. uh, and especially I want to share, don't overcook the seafood. If you overcook the seafood, the taste goes off. And in this method, I use like 5 to 7 minutes to cook my seafood maximum. So it's keep really nice moisture and flavor. And we didn't use any oil. We just used little bit of tiny bit of olive oil just to saute the stuff. Other than that, that's it. And guys, I want to tell you, when you use apple uh, perfectly blends the flavor, because apple contains little bit of sour and little bit of watery flavor. That's blends so well with seafood. uh, if you want to get the real experience, try this recipe, and do not forget to put a comment. If you feel it is really nice recipe, don't forget to share with your friends. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. See you soon with another beautiful recipe. Thank you.